everyone. It's your girl. Welcome back to another video. The past few videos have just been hair. But today I wanted to do something a little bit different.
I am not that good at makeup.
Let me just say that. I'm working on it, but overall, not that good at it. But I want to change that, and something that makes it a lot easier to do my makeup is magnetic eyelashes. I'm sure you guys have seen, they're all over social media, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat. I mean, they're everywhere.
Okay.
I'm talking about
Glamnetic.
Now this is a brand that is
Pretty expensive.
you get a kit and it's like $100, I think. And you get like 3 pairs of lashes and then like the eyeliner stuff, whatever. I'm sure that's great quality, but sis,
I don't want to spend $100.
Moving on with that. I went on Amazon and I bought this. So these are from Arishine. I already have some of these. I ended up losing a bunch of them because the one thing that it doesn't come with is a carry case. So it's very easy to lose these, one downside. But I thought that I would go ahead and buy these and try them out for you guys. So this is what the box looks like on the back. Application process, but you don't need that, sis, because
I'm about to show you how to do it.
Let's open them up. I think that these are too fake looking. Like those look so fake. The rest of them, I think that I can work well with. This is like an everyday style. This would be like going out style, and this is like I'm coming to kill you with my huge ass eyelashes. The first one that I bought only came with 5 pairs. It also came with 2 of these. Comes with a little applicator, which makes it easier for you to apply these lashes. I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup on. I don't want to just put eyelashes on and look like a fucking dum-dum. So I have put on some makeup. Now is the fun part. You know what? I probably should have done my eyeliner before I started filming because I'm bad at putting on eyeliner and I don't want you guys to see that. Okay, so here's the thing. It's recommended that you put on regular eyeliner first for a few reasons. Number 1, magnetic eyeliner is very thick. You can't just get it anywhere, so you want to save it. And you don't want your wing to be super thick. There's no reason to use magnetic eyeliner on your wing because the magnetic lashes will not be on your wing. They will just be on your lash line. So I'm going to apply a small wing with this e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm gonna pray to fucking God that it does not come out terrible because I am not the best at putting on eyeliner. Then I'm going to apply the rest of my eyeliner with the Arishine magnetic liner, and then we're gonna see how these lashes look on me. You guys ready for this? Because I'm not. This is stressing me out already. It's not even, no, but it's fine. I'm going to go in with this magnetic eyeliner. This is what it looks like. I will say though, from experience, the eyeliner will get very cakey like that because there are chemicals in it that are magnetic. So it's not like regular eyeliner. It's never going to be like regular eyeliner. No matter who makes it, whatever, whether it's $100 or $25, which I believe is how much this kit was. I should probably put on just a little bit of mascara to kind of blend in the fake eyelashes with my real ones, but not too much. I'm just gonna use an old mascara that I have. We're going to go in with the magnetic eyeliner. So it looks like a regular liquid liner. Let's do this. You have to kind of get a lot on the applicator. Also, you want to make sure that you are applying it into the inner corner of your eye, and obviously if you don't, the lashes are not going to stick on the inner corner and then it's going to look tacky. Do they look perfect? No. Am I going anywhere? Is anyone gonna see this? Yes, but it's okay. The key here is, yes, you wanna let them dry a decent amount. You're gonna hear a lot of girls be like, oh, they never dry, like, they sort of dry. They don't dry all the way. Like I said, and like I will say again, it is not regular eyeliner, so you cannot expect it to dry as regular eyeliner would. I'm going to apply mascara to my bottom lashes while I'm waiting for the top to dry. One thing I want to mention as well, you really want to be careful when you're putting the magnetic eyeliner onto your eyelid, just because it's very easy to get it on your real lashes, and then when you try to apply the fake magnetic lashes, they want to stick to your real lashes. It's almost impossible not to get any at all onto your real lashes, but just be careful, sweetie. Now is time to figure out which one we want to use. I think these are going to be my favorites. I don't want to go too crazy. I'm going to apply this pair right here. So usually I do have to cut lashes, but with these, the pair that I own already, a couple of them I cut and then other ones I just left because I kind of like the long look. Also, I want to show you, the magnets are on the ends. So there's magnets here and there's magnets on this side. So if you cut them, you really have to be careful to not cut at a place where one of the magnets is or isn't, so that it doesn't look absolutely crazy on your eye. I'm going to take the applicator, which is metal, which is dumb. They should have made it plastic because the lash wants to stick to the applicator. And measure out my eye. I'm gonna try to just apply it just like this, just for the sake of the video. And if it doesn't work, we can always cut later. I'm just gonna move the eyelashes like this, just to give them kind of a straighter look. They come super curved and it's a little bit harder to apply them when they're so curved like that. And I'm about to show you how easy this is, y'all. Boom. Look at that. Immediately. I'm gonna push it down a little bit just to kind of connect them with my real lashes as much as possible. These are a little long. I can kind of feel them on the inner corner, but I'm not gonna cut them. I'm gonna leave them just like they are. I'm sure it's something that I'll get used to as the day goes on. I like these. I'm glad that I chose this style. So I'm going to take the other lash and I'm going to apply it on the other side so you guys can get the finished look. When you're applying your lashes with the applicator that they provided, try to just take the eyelash applicator and grab the lashes from the very tip instead of near where the magnets are, since this is metal and obviously the lashes will stick to it. Or you can just use a plastic eyelash applicator. So the inner corner on this side is coming off a little bit, and I think it's because the eyeliner is not thick enough on the inner corner. It has to be thick enough to where the magnet will stick. So I'm literally just going to take some of the eyeliner and apply a little bit of it. Boom, boom, boom. What do you guys think? I love them and I love this style because they're not too crazy and they're not too subtle. I usually like my eyelashes dramatic, not gonna lie. But this is a good medium. They're not going anywhere. They are secure. Hello?
Stop that. Hi.
Still secure. December, baby. These are definitely not gonna go anywhere. Obviously, the wind is not gonna be that strong. I did that to show you guys that they are pretty good eyelashes and they're really not gonna go anywhere. I would do a wear test for you. I really don't need to because as you guys know, I'm a dancer. I have worn these to work, worked 8-hour shifts, sweating, dancing, and they stayed on perfect the entire time. So I definitely would recommend this for anybody who is not that good at putting on eyelashes with eyelash glue. Anybody who's tired of those 2-strip lashes that clip on, they never stay on right. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope that I could help some people. These are definitely worth it. I will link the product in the description box below. Please give this a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and please watch out for next week. Okay, see you guys later. Am I gonna see you next time?